Hi, grade 2. Welcome to Math Workshop. What I would like you to do is to get your math work notebook because we're going to make an interactive notebook page. And today we're going to learn how to compare lengths when we measure in inches versus when we measure in centimeters. So get your notebook and let's get started. Hi, grade 2. We are now going to look at comparing lengths. Now remember, if we want to know how long something is, we can measure it using a ruler. However, rulers have two different types of units on them. They have something called inches and have something called centimeters. Do you know why rulers have two different ways of measuring objects? Think about that. Well, here's a fun fact. Most countries in the world will use centimeters in order to measure length. They use the metric system and they would use centimeters, which we see on the bottom of this blue ruler. Now, there are 3 countries in the world that use inches, which is short for inches is IN. And you can see those at the top of my blue ruler. It depends on what country you're in as to whether or not things might be measured in centimeters or might be measured in inches. So we're just going to practice how to measure using both. If I wanted to measure this flashlight per se, and I wanted to find out how many centimeters it is, would I just come here and randomly put it in the middle of my ruler? Well, I could, but it might be a little bit trickier for how to solve the length, how to figure out the length. But you can. I wonder if I put it here in the middle, would you be able to figure out how long it is? If right here the end is at 7 on the light end and on the handle end it's at 17, can you guess already how many centimeters this is? I'm not going to tell you, maybe you can figure it out. Most of the time when we measure, we go to the very end and we line it up here at the 0, okay? And then we go to the other end and maybe we take something straight, like a ruler or a marker or something, and we mark exactly where it is at the end. You can see that this flashlight is 10 centimeters. So I'm going to go ahead and label this 10 centimeters. Now, if I wanted to put the flashlight up here on the top, okay, again, this is going to be the inches is on the top. I have to line it up at the end there. And then I want to see, I'm going to use something straight to see. And yep, guess what? It hits the 4. So it's 4 inches. So we just learned that the flashlight is 4 inches or it's 10 centimeters. And when I measured in inches, did the flashlight ever change sizes from when I measured it in centimeters? No, the flashlight always stayed the same size. But the reason why we have a 4 inches versus 10 centimeters is that the unit that we are using is, if it's inches, well, inches are a bit bigger for a measurement, and centimeters are smaller. So it's okay, 4 inches is still the same length as 10 centimeters. They're exactly the same length. To help us remember what we are just learning, we're going to make an interactive notebook page. Here are the directions for that interactive notebook page. If you want, you can pause and look over it and read the directions for yourself. First, you'll need to find this paper comparing lengths from your resource pack. Next, you'll need to cut these out into, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 different pieces. You'll want to glue the title on the top and then the explanation of what's the difference between centimeters and inches. And then you'll have 4 different ribbons that you will glue into your notebook, and you will use this ruler to measure these rulers. Make sure to leave a little bit of you'll use the ruler to measure these ribbons. Make sure to leave a little bit of space at the bottom so that you can write down what you've learned today. Now, I didn't write down the different lengths because and write the answers here. I would like you to measure each one of these paper ribbons and then write it in the yellow square. So let's read the directions. Take out the ruler from inside the pocket, which here's the pocket, and then we take out this little ruler. Measure each paper ribbon twice. So here's my paper ribbon. I'm going to measure it once using inches and measure it again, but flip the ruler over and measure it using centimeters. Then write down the measurements on these yellow squares. Finally, what did you learn about inches and centimeters? Write your what you learned and what's important to remember at the bottom of your notebook page. When you're done, make sure to take a picture and post it on Toddle. Finally, we have one last activity to do. Go to number 3 and click. You're going to use inches and centimeters to measure yourself. So we have 2 different pages. The first page, you measure yourself using inches, and the second page, measure yourself using centimeters. When you're done, go ahead and click the share button and share your work with Miss Andrea. Have fun measuring!